welcome to How To with J and E. Today we're looking at this contraption, which is a sausage maker. Now, there are various sausage makers on the market, but I wanted to buy this and give it a go and also do a review for you today to see, is it worth buying? So I'm going to spare you the actual unpacking. It just came in a plastic bag. That's all you need to know. It came in a plastic bag from Amazon. It cost me £5.56 in the UK, and that would come out at roughly $7.41 if you're in the US. So very reasonably priced. I was really happy to see this as a bargain. There was lots of different people selling the same product. I'm sure it's the same product. And there's various prices, but I got this on a special offer today. But it would sit round about £10 or about $13. So you might be wondering why have I bought it. Well, the reason why is because I'm really excited to be able to make different kinds of sausages. So I really quite like sausages, but sometimes they don't have the kind that I like. And also I like to be able to think that I can make sausages when I know exactly what's going into the product. So you can make low-fat sausages, you can make Italian sausages, herb sausages. There's an endless amount of sausages that you can try, and you can also do vegetarian or vegan. So I just want to show you how it comes. It came like this, and I say it's really sturdy and it's a food grade plastic. It's nice and chunky, which I'm surprised at seeing, and it's also quite large. So again, I didn't know how big it was going to be. Sometimes the photos on large marketplaces like Amazon aren't very clear, but it's a really good size and I think it's going to be really good. So it came with 3 nozzles. There are different options in different websites, but this is a large nozzle, a medium nozzle, and then a really thin nozzle. So I'll just hold them up so you can see them, the different sizes that they come in. So obviously you have to buy sausage castings to go with that. I'll tell you about them in a minute. So to put the nozzle on, you just unscrew this bit at the top and pop on the nozzle that you want to use, and you tighten it up. And then to put the meat in, you just want to unscrew this end here. And you put your meat in here, and this is like a plunger, and as I say, it's got this large screw mechanism, which as I say is quite chunky, and I've already cleaned it. I give it a good wash after it came from the factory, but I think it's really going to be good. You've even got air holes, so that helps with the pressure as you twist it down. So then what you want to do is put your sausage castings on, and then you can either hold the handle or hold the sausage castings, and then you twist the end. Now, I know that some people work in twos, where one person can twist and the other person can bring it out. So obviously it's not for making hundreds of sausages. I think that would be quite difficult. I bought this just to make sausages for myself, for my family, and I think it's going to be really good. So I'm going to just leave that there just now, and I'm just going to talk a little about the sausage castings. So these castings are made of lots of different materials. So you can get vegetarian and you can get natural products, and then these ones are collagen. So these are actually made from a meat product, but it's not just like the raw style that comes from an animal. This is actually just made up. So it's almost like a tissue paper, and it's just concertinaed into this long length. And then what you do with that is you slide that onto the nozzle, and then as you twist, you just sort of like slowly let it go through. There's lots of videos, and I'm going to make a video myself, so you can actually see how they work. But these ones today I bought from a place called Tong Master in the UK. So I just want to show you the packaging that came in. So that's from Tong Master. I'll just let you see it. And as I say, they make them in lots of different sizes, and you have to make sure that you buy it. It does tell you what nozzle you should be using. So as I said, I'm not sure whether it's going to fit the medium one or the small one, but I'm going to try that out later. But you get 80 feet in length. Now they do work out really quite reasonable as well. So you get 2 lengths in this packet, and again this was about £5.50, so around about the $7 mark. So really quite reasonable. They're going to last me for a very long time, I think, unless I make a lot of sausages. So as I say, I'll let you know how we get on. Please look out for the videos that I'm going to make. I'm going to make them up and post them on to YouTube. So please give us your like and your thumbs up on the YouTube channel. Please also subscribe, and you can also consider becoming a patron to help us in our work. So thanks again for joining us, and we'll let you know how we get on. Please look out for the other videos. Bye.